In this video, we are going to take up how to solve the problem of rectangular lamina by using the SolidEdge software. The problem reads as a rectangular lamina of 35 mm by 20 mm rests on HP on one of its shorter edges. The lamina is rotated about the edge on which it rests till it appears as a square in the top view. The edge on which the lamina rests being parallel to both HP and VP. Draw its projections and find its inclination to HP and VP. So this is the problem which is given to you. How to solve this problem by using the SolidEdge software. First we'll go for the SolidEdge screen, and this is the home screen wherein the sheet setup is for A2. Now I want to change the sheet setup to A4 because that is where we need to take the printout in the examination. So first you take the cursor here, then right click on sheet 1. So you click on sheet setup, you come down to background sheet, click on A4, show background I don't want, so OK. Then the sheet will going to set up for A4, but the display is still set for A4, A2. Now I need to set for A4, just fit it so that you are going to get into A4 size sheet, which is get a display also is set for A4 size. Now we need to start typing the text. So go to text, select on Times New Roman, and the font size I want to take it for 4. Now how to do that? Now just you take a rectangular lamina, so take the cursor here, click, then you start typing a rectangular lamina of 35 by 35 mm by 20 mm, 35 mm by 25, rest on HP on one of its shorter edges, rest on HP on one of its shorter edges. The lamina is rotated, about the edge on which it rests till it appears as a square in the top view. The edge on which the lamina rests, is parallel to both HP and VP. Draw its projections and find its inclinations with HP and V and V. With HP and VP. Right click. So once you do that, so now I want to move this, go to sketch, click on move, select this and take it here. Okay, one side, top corner. Now we need to write the solution. So to do that, so he says it is one of the shorter edges on HP. So first I will go for a line command and take the line thickness as 0.05. Now I want to draw a rectangular lamina. So first you keep it on horizontal IntelliSketch, and intersection is more than sufficient for us. Then you draw one horizontal line of any length and draw a vertical line of any length. Then go to offset. So what is the distance you want to offset? So 35 mm, you type 35 and take the cursor here and accept it. Offset to the left side. Then again, do you want to continue? No. Then since your previous command is offset, so you are already in offset command. So type 20. Then you select this line, right click and take it to the top. So now we have the trim corner between these two and between these two. Now you make this as a group now. So go to group, select this entire drawing and make it as a group, enter, then go to select this and make it this as 0.5. So now we have the top view. So I will go for a move command, move it wherever you want and you place it. Okay. Now you come down to zoom window. Now you go to text and take the font size as 3. To write the names, you will take 3. I will go to A, here it is B, here it is C, and here it is D. Then go to Move, disable copy, you take A and keep it here. Then you take B and you keep it here. Then you take C and keep it here, and D, you keep it here. Now, once you do that, then you come down to zoom window. Then you draw a horizontal line of any length. Then you go to line, take intersection of these two. Then intersection of these two. Okay. Then go to trim corner between these two and between these two. Now you go to select this line, make it 0.5. Okay. Now we need to write the front view for this. So go to text, here you type A dash, then B dash is visible, then C dash is coinciding with B dash, so it is invisible, and D dash is also invisible because it is coinciding with A dash. Then go to move, here take A dash, then you take this as D dash. Similarly, you take B dash and you take this as C dash now. Okay, so then in this side you will going to take one more line you draw of any length, and then you mark this as capital X here. For the capital lock on, type X, and here you type VP, and here you type HP. Okay, then go to move, select this and keep it here, then vertical plane, then the horizontal plane. So this is the first initial position what we want. Now once you do that, now I need to write such that the lamina is here. What it says is the lamina is rotated about the edge on which it rests on one of the shorter edges. With the shorter edge, this B dash and C dash. So what I will do, I will draw a line considering any distance. So I will consider any point. Then from this I need to take one point. So how to take that point? So I will come down to point on element, click on this. So go to line and consider any point on element and draw a vertical line of any length. Okay. So remove point on element. I don't want to keep it that. Then from there I will go to line, take the intersection point of these two and draw a vertical line, horizontal line. Similarly, from the intersection of these two, you draw one more vertical line, horizontal line. Then go to trim between this and this and this. So what is the side now? The side what we are going to get is BC. It is a side of 20 mm. So then till it appears as a square in the top view. So therefore obviously you take 20 mm on this side also. Select this. Okay. So you go to split this line till here. So then go to offset, take the distance as 20. You select this line and offset it. Now you have the split this line till here. So then again you split this line till here. Then okay, now we have got the top view now. So consider this entire window. Then you make this as 0.5. Okay, and create this as a block now. Group. Once you do that, now we have the point here. Which is that point? Then you click. So now we have move. Sorry, once you select, let us see whether it is taken it or not. No. So you go to group, select this entire drawing, right click. Okay. Then you accept this. Now you go to select this entire thing is being getting selected. Okay, fine. Now I need to complete this sketch first because the square is going to be the top view now. So I will go for a move command, move it outside. So you keep it this here. Now I want to copy this C here. Then I want to copy this B here. Okay. Then I want to copy A here. Then I want to copy D here. Once you do that, now you go to fit, take this inside. Now from line, you draw a line from this intersection point, you draw a vertical line to the top. Then I need to copy, move, enable copy, you take B dash and you keep it here. Then you take C dash and you keep it here. So which one is the distance? I want to take this distance and from here I need to cut it. So what is the distance A dash B dash? A dash B dash is parallel to, since AB is parallel to VP, so you are getting the true length in VP. What is the true length in VP? The true length in VP here is this distance, which is 35. So the same distance will be there here also. So if you want to measure that, you just click on this, you will going to get it as 35. So by using arc command, take this arc as the intersection point. What is the radius you want? I want 35. The angle inclination is 10 degrees. So you keep that here on this line. Okay. Now once you get this, so you trim this portion. Okay. Then go to line, take the intersection point of these two and then draw this line. So now this is the inclination what you will going to get with respect to HP. So you consider this point and take this distance as 0.5. Then you move this. Go to move, enable copy. You take A dash and keep it here. And then D dash and then keep it here. So this is the second position. Okay. Now what I want is, I want to rewrite the same sketch here by rotating at an angle of 90 degree, because the short range which is resting on HP is parallel to both HP and VP. At this position, the short range is parallel to HP, but it is perpendicular to VP. So I want to copy this again by go to move, copy, select this drawing and keep it wherever you want. Then this side is also, what I am doing is I am rewriting the same sketch again such that, so here move, A will come here. Okay, so I am rotating in counterclockwise direction. So B will come here. Then C will come here. Then D will come here. So what is that? Short range B dash C dash is parallel to both HP and VP. Then draw a vertical projector, horizontal projector from A dash and D dash. Okay. Draw a vertical projector from this here and also from this here. Now we know to go for a trim this line and this line and this line and this line. So now I go to split this line till here and then split this line till here and then split this line till here and then split this line till here. Now what is the distance? Here I will going to get it as B dash. You take this as B dash. Then here it is A dash. Then B dash. So here it is C dash and here it is D dash. Okay. Then go to select this line. By holding the shift key, you select all these 4 lines and make this as 0.5. Then go to zoom window. Okay. Then go to move, disable copy. You take A dash here. Then you take B dash here. Then you take C dash here. Then you take D dash here. Then go to fit. Now we have all the positions is written. Now I will go for a line command, draw a horizontal line from here of any length. Now we will go to consider the vertical line here, which is the RPP. Then go to line, take the distance. I will take around 100 mm. Angle is -45. Okay. Then draw a line from the top view first. Take B to C. Okay. Then where is B dash C dash? then draw a line from the intersection point, then go to trim this, then go to trim corner between these two. Then similarly go to line, draw a line from A and D to this line. Similarly from this, okay, draw a vertical line, and from A dash, D dash, you draw a horizontal projector and go to trim corner between these two. Now, as we look from the left side, what you are going to see, I will going to see this as C double dash in without bracket, then B double dash in bracket. Similarly, D double dash without bracket, and then A double dash in bracket. So once you do that, then go to move, disable copy, so take C double dash here, then B double dash outside, then similarly D double dash here and A double dash outside. Then join between C double dash and D double dash with a dark line. Join between intersection part of this to the intersection part of this. So then you go to select this line and make this as 0.5. Okay. So this will going to be the RPP. I need to write it here. So go to this and I will type RPP, right profile plane. So go to move, disable copy, you select this. So now you got all the things written. Now you go to trim corner between this line and this line. So go to split this line till here, then you split this line till here, you split this line till here, and then you split this line till here. Then go to select this line. Of course, these are all just to have the more accurate and also the presentable form, we need to do that. Then go to capital Y, then here X1, and here it is Y1. Okay, then go to select this entire thing, then go to move, disable copy, so take Y1, so here it is Y and here it is X1. So now this is how we will be able to create the drawing. How do I know that my drawing is right? Even you can see one of the short edges is resting on HP. The short edge which is resting on HP is parallel to both HP and also VP. And this is the surface inclination with respect to both HP and VP. So now I need to give the dimensions. To do that, first I will go for dimensioning variable and go to ISO, then go to modify, click on general, make it black, because I need to take the printout in black and white. Go to Times New Roman and the font size what I will take is 3 and lines and coordinates, so it will be 0.1, and say OK and say apply. Now we need to write the dimensions. So go to distance between this line and this, you will go to get it as square 35. So distance between these two, it will go to be 20. Okay. Now I want to have a square symbol. You just go to this, click on square symbol and say OK and select between these two now. Then you select between these two, you will go to get it as square 20. Again you select between these two, you will go to get square 20. Now I need to know what is the dimension angle. So you just go to dimension, then here click on this, go to this, make it clear now. Okay. Now we want to go for dimensioning angle. So the moment when you select this, you can see what is the angle 55.15, and of course for remaining will going to be 90 minus of that value. So now I need to show the angle. So to do that, I'll go for dimensioning, modify, so go to units, so take the angular unit up to second decimal point and say OK and apply. Now you go for dimensioning style between these two, 55.15. Now I want to show the angle between these two, so 34.85. The sum of these two will be equal to 90 degrees. So to do that, I will go for a fit. Okay. Now I will go for the move command, select this entire thing and move it down wherever you wanted to keep it. Now I want to write the answer for this. To do that, so go to text. Here I will type 55.15. By holding the Alt key, type 0176 and retrieve the Alt key. Then here you write 34.85. By holding the Alt key, 0176 and release the Alt key. So now, this angle will be theta and that angle will be phi. So now you go to move, disable copy, you select this and keep it here. Okay. Now you go to select this line and you make this as blank. So again you select this and you make this also as blank. So now you go to text, click on symbol. So you take theta, small letter q, and this will be small letter phi. Then go to zoom window, go to move, select phi and bring it here, and theta you bring it here. Okay. Then go to fit. Now you select between these two. Now go to move, enable copy. So theta is for this line, okay, and phi is for this. Then go to zoom window, then go to line, select this, draw a vertical line of any length, and from here you take horizontal and then vertical and then horizontal. Go to trim corner between these two. Now you go to move command, enable copy, select this, click on here, take the x displacement is 0. So now you take this and keep it here. Now you go to move, enable copy, select this, right click. So y displacement is 0. So you keep it here. So you write the answer here. So you go to this and type answers. So here go to Times New Roman and the font size is 3, type answers. Now you go to move, disable copy, select this and keep it here. So the sum of these two angles should be always be equal to how much? It should be 90 degrees. So 5, 5, 10, 1, 8, 9, 10, 1, 5 plus 6 plus 4, 10, 5 plus 3, 8, that is 9. So the sum of these two angles will be always equal to 90 degrees. So that is how you will be able to get the answer. So here type the angle between this line, angle between this line and this line will be equal to 45 degrees. So this is how you will be able to write the solution for the given problem on a rectangular lamina is resting on one of the shorter edges. The shorter edge is resting on HP, is parallel to HP and is also parallel to VP. So what is the angle between these two? Let us see. This theta should also be equal to 55.15. Here also theta is 55.15. So this is how you will be able to write the answer for this problem by using the SolidEdge software. Once again, the accuracy of the drawing what you get is up to the second decimal point. Again, here also we are not looking at the solution, but by looking at the problem, we are able to create the solution without looking into the sketch. So this is how we need to practice so that you will be able to write in the examination without writing the sketch. You should be able to take the SolidEdge command tools and try to complete the drawing within this required time. And also I need to go for XY line, select this and you select this and X1 Y1 line and make that it as 0.13. So this is how you will be able to write the solution by using SolidEdge software. Thank you.